Man, you know AC had to pull up in something new, man. Not a flex, all blessings. Welcome back to the ArringtonC channel. Very gracious, very thankful to have one of my first cars of the dream car list, man. The Tesla is now part of the family. I'm gonna give y'all a full car tour later. For the meantime, gotta run in the Kroger real quick, gotta pick up some snacks, cause headed to the studio with my boy Gap X. I know him as PJ, y'all know him as Gap. Picking up some quick stuff for the studio session. It's a little 4-hour block, so gotta get right. In the meantime, gotta get the body armor, water for myself. Been trying to drink a little bit cleaner. You know, not as much as the stuff I used to, man. I got a bad soda habit, but trying to kick that in 2025. Almost at 2024. We almost at the end of the new year. But I don't know. I need something. Just gonna get the job done. I ain't ate no food, which is bad today. I got a little stretch of a break. This is the first time I've had like some time to chill. I think since I left college, which was almost 2 years ago. Now that I think about it and look back at it, but a lot of growth has happened. Very thankful. Hopefully I can inspire y'all, as I always say, to do the same thing, whether it's chasing your dreams or just getting on your craft and getting it done, man. It's really all it takes is a dream. I didn't even have to say nothing. Imagine you ask your friends like what they need from the store. You finna make a run, right? And this is what they tell you they need. I ain't gotta imagine, but y'all's favorite rapper got an addiction, and I ain't gonna put him on blast, but you heard it here first. On the way to the studio right now, and just the inspiration that I get from just seeing these houses and, you know, stuff like this with the area that I'm gonna be in. Like, it's just, these are common $1 million homes in this area that we headed to, but it's just like, what, like trying to make the proper steps at my age just so I can get to that point and build that legacy for the family and things of that nature. I don't have a family, well, I don't have my own family yet. Don't plan on it anytime soon, but when that day comes, just, you know, making sure I took the proper steps in my time and didn't just mess around. Like, of course, have your fun, but man, gotta lock in, bro. Gotta lock in and chase those dreams and pursue that passion, man.
Whether if I make it or I don't, the fun I write this in is from a place.
It's that unreleased. I had to leak his shit. I had to leak it, and he would never know. I'm gonna be that homeboy.
Writer's block is leaving, now we going stupid. Pasta told me to stick to it. Mama told me don't abuse it.
I'm leaking all his music. All of it. All of it.
How you feel about these takes though?
Good. I like the second one. I feel like I like better.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean, I'm good with them.
Alright, so let's run one more. Let's run one more for this one.
Terrence told me that he proud of me. Whether if I make it or I don't, the fun I write this in is from a place of love. Mia told me she believed in me. PJ, you be for the people. And walking, a dead man living and talking, a poser, a poser. Poser.
Yep, I'm leaking this one too. He don't even know yet, but it's getting leaked.
Pray for the day to live for tomorrow. Pride in the sorrow. 3-5 South. 3-5 South.
You can do like 8 songs in like one take in like 10 minutes. Like, I don't even know, but I don't know. Last time I was in here, it was like Studio AC might have to make an appearance.
Hey, needs to.
Back in a little Austin trip about almost a year ago, I ain't gonna lie. We had a little track, so I think we gotta complete that today. And you know I got my dog Ife back here rocking with us.
Let's get it.
One of the coldest in the game. Y'all better not sleep on this dude here, bro.
Stop it. I can keep going.
It's gonna be fire, man. I ain't no artist musically. I'm a visual artist. I make clothes and I do video. But we gonna have to, see what cook up today. So y'all stay tuned. I hear the beat rocky, you know, a little fit for him, you know what I'm saying? It's go time. Say no prices, no numbers, but my life savings is right now, so let me not bullshit. Let's go. might be Kid Cudi with them hums.
Real talk, hey, hard as fuck.
That fire in, I can see you got that fire in your eyes. Oh no, say that I'm hooked on the sheet, let you know me in touch with her body, yeah. In the room getting out of it. Get to my when she off control. Oh, man, it's fucked up, I know it. I can't let her go. I'm losing control. What is that? Lil' mama, you the number one option. Got me in the motion, but I stop quick. Yeah, I'm finding a way I can walk up and show you the love in the tree. And that's what you supposed to have, cause you need it. Finding up in it. Summer 25 might be on lock. I never thought I'd be like really making a track, but crazy things have happened and here I am.
I can see it in your eyes, sitting around telling lies like I'm the bad guy. You got me fucked up on the low. The lowest moment since the rope is tight. So pardon me before we sinking deep within the sea. I see the fault in me, which fell for you. I'm falling close but far from home. The mellow tone that know the facts to right the wrong. Another petty soul that could've stayed up. All it took was once. Put that pressure on me, mama, I can't get enough. Think I might have took too much, cause I'm feeling for you, know. She saying that she feeling me, but I'm mad at home. Alright, you guys, I know you can see it behind me. It's a little bit windy out here. I apologize for the noise, but behind me is the new whip, y'all. This is Fortune. It's the nickname for the car, man. Very thankful, very blessed, very proud. Like I said, I always want to motivate and inspire you guys, because a year ago I wasn't even in position to do this, so this is just that further confirmation for you guys to take the risk and, you know, do what you want, do what you love, and keep chasing those dreams, man, because I'm definitely doing that for myself here. So y'all come a little bit closer, let's take a look. I ain't gonna turn this into a car channel. It's strictly lifestyle, but I'm just gonna show y'all like kind of the stuff that I do. So we got the black on black Model Y. Everything's basic, no mods, simple, but I'm gonna make a whole page on TikTok dedicated to this car and all the stuff I'm gonna do to it. Starting with probably the wheels, and take a look at the inside over here too, y'all. I'm locked out. It's mine. I'm not stealing. There we go. So it's just basic. Got the wood grain up top, black seats. I'm gonna end up changing this liner, some stuff in the middle console, things of that nature. It's a work in progress, but we're for sure gonna get some things going on there. Starting first with this tent, because this lets a lot of light into the car, and I live in Texas, as y'all know, so it's getting cooler right now, but definitely got to prep for that. Plus it's gonna be like it's gonna add into like the Batmobile murdered out look on there for you guys too. So I'm gonna keep y'all posted with some stuff. Y'all see me driving, it's got the little full self driving thing. I scared this dude PJ by the camera.
Scared the mess out of me. Scared the mess out of me.
So we're definitely having some fun. Probably gonna film some content like driving and talking, but there's something else I gotta show y'all. Look. You see my car's over there, right? What if I said I could like bring it to me, but like, y'all believe me?
Talk to me.
Look. I'm gonna just. You see it. I ain't in the driver's seat. It's doing that. It's kind of. Hold on, Elon. What happened? Okay, now we going again. I don't know why it's reversing though. Bro, that's kind of, I ain't gonna lie, that's kind of scary though. Like, that's kind of, like, nobody's in that car right now. Where is it going though? Bro, what are they thinking if they drive by, there's nobody in that car? Oh, okay, there you go. Is it going to cut in, or is it just going? Boom. I ain't even got to drive no more. Like I said, this is Fortune, the new baby, the new added one to the collection. We got the screen in the middle right here. I ain't gonna get into too much details, but man, just thank y'all for carrying me to the point that I'm at now and to continue to grow. And stay tuned. That's all. Cause I say stay tuned so much, but simply put, stay tuned. I'm gonna end this video here out today. Trying to get back in my YouTube flow, as y'all know. I'm not trying to make an empty promise, but I should see y'all again very soon. Keep up with me on IG. I'm gonna drop the TikTok page for the card in the bio too. Nonetheless, y'all have a blessed one. Keep following your dreams. Stay motivated, inspired, and do something you love. It's ArringtonC, and I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Yeah.
We put our all in our art, give our soul and our hearts to our dreams and the things that we deem necessary to our needs. Cause it's scary chasing dreams when you ain't sure if you gon' make it to the league or a screen. Tryna make it to the top, climbing ropes and whatnot. Cause the ladder is you going back to broke if you